Welcome back, guys. We are on to the plumbing now. So, got myself a bag full of goodies. I've got my good mate Ash coming around. He's going to be helping me out doing the plumbing. Basically, it's a hot water tank there. There's cold under there. We're going to be running a line through here, down into this trench behind that, and up through the back. So it is going to get dark, so I'll try to film as much as I can, but you know, you got to do what you got to do. It's winter time. The sun goes down too quick. This is basically the plan though for the shower screen. So it's going to be a lift off nozzle so I can enjoy it under the bamboo trees, wash the dog. 2 taps about here. And yeah, just going to crack into it. What I'm doing now, we just started to dig this trench out. So just because I don't want any copper pipes coming through and I don't want to walk on them, so I've just checked into the ground where it's going, so I'll just get into it. So it is officially dark, but the plumber is here, Ash the plumber.
Hey.
And we got our pipes ready to go, all our fittings, so we're just, the trench is all dug.
The other capillaries, elbows.
Yeah, I got them in the car.
This is the part that has to be equal, like the part going into the T.
Yeah, because that shows where the taps are.
Well, that's like so you can like, hey.
Just act normal.
So it's pretty much the same when the water meets. It goes up and the pressure's the same.
Alright, cool.
Hot and cold are made running.
Yeah. It's very important, this key, isn't it? Go for it, Ash. So
Very simple.
Why
Very
we
simple, mate.
look at that.
Shift and multis, but you know, vice grip.
Oh yeah. Flick of the wrist.
Take the spindle out so when we use a solder, you don't burn the rubbers or the body washers.
Nice. Love it.
It's like a puzzle, mate. Love it.
Looking good. What's the first bit you're gonna solder, you reckon?
I've got to flux it all, but I just want to
Like dry fit it?
dry fit it, check it out, have a gaze,
So yeah, you go.
have a beer.
Relax.
I'm going to clean those up.
Yeah, I'll clean them up. So Ash, why do we clean these up?
Clean them up to get off any grease or dirt or anything, so when you put the flux and solder it, gets a better job done, mate.
There you go. So we've got it all laid out. This is the top of the shower head.
Just a dry run before I finish the beer.
He loves it.
I do, mate. Bit overkill. Nothing like a good job done right, eh?
Yeah, that's it, mate. Do it right. Do it once.
Alright. Flux it.
Yeah.
Load it up.
We just whacked on a whole bunch of
Flux.
flux.
So I was telling Connor, I've only seen this on YouTube. Let's see how we go.
Here's the first attempt.
First attempt, eh? Seen loads of work to it.
Oh yeah. Is it hot?
Mate. Do you want to touch it?
Yeah.
Cooking an egg.
Yep, it started to rain.
Love it. Love the rain.
So we got the back, this is the back of the shower here. There, the tap's just there. Then
We're
this
going to
comes-
solder more, but this rain.
Takes too long. So we're just crimping this bottom one now. That's the cold line. Ash is cutting it off to the height. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just making this look hard, you know? Just making it look harder than it actually is. Push that. Push it from there.
Yeah. Alrighty, so this is how the water gets into it. That one's the hot, comes over down into here, same with the cold. Down into the trench. Hook over to your left. Then there they are. Joint come up to these here, that comes out and up there. Just like that. So I got hot and cold. This one's hot. That one's cold. So now all I have to do is backfill. What? All I have to do is backfill just that trench there. And then she's all done. Wait for the grass to grow back. Maybe we're going to put some gravel here so it doesn't get so muddy, but love it. Alright, I got all the plumbing done for the shower screen. Got the hot water hooked up and the cold water. So she's ready to go. I can take this off and wet Alicia.
Hey!
Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.